it's just kind of a lazy day. I got up this morning, just kind of chilled out, and did a load of laundry. Well, I've done 3 loads of laundry. I have my last load in the dryer. It's my sheets, and then I'll get back home and, you know, put my sheets on the bed. I've got some cleaner in my tub that I'm letting sit. I'm going to get in there and clean my bathroom. I need to get some magic erasers while I'm out. And, you know, I'm fixing to start serious cleaning the house. But there's really nothing going on right now. James is kind of chilling out. We'll probably do some stuff later this afternoon. I got to cut his hair. We've got to figure out what we're going to cook for dinner, you know. But right now, he's just kind of taking it easy. So I was like, well, I'm bored. And so I'm going to ride to the thrift store. I know, what else is new, right? I'm still looking for a few things. And y'all, it happened last night. I was looking for something that I donated. I wanted it for my dining room table, and then I remembered I had donated it, but that's okay. I had a black tray that I had in the closet for probably a year, not using it, and so I donated it, and sure enough, I wanted it last night. But that's okay. So I'm looking for something for my dining room table, and I want some kind of tray to go on my table. So I gotta find some. That's kind of like something I'm looking for, and then just, you know, mostly just kind of getting out of the house, just because I was bored. So, you know, that's what I'm doing. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video I put up today with just a day in the life, just a married life, you know. I did have some of y'all think that James is miserable and he does not like being in my videos, and he's not miserable. He doesn't always like being in my videos, so if he is ever in my videos, it is because he's okay with it. But I know he has a very, very dry sense of humor that a lot of people don't understand, but then a lot of y'all really relate to, because y'all's husbands are like that. So I mean, I know he's not everybody's cup of tea, but I like him. He's mine. So, I just think it's funny. But he's not miserable. And actually, we had a really good day yesterday, and I thought it was a fun video. But it just goes to show how, you know, different eyes see things differently and take things differently. And, you know, it's just, that's what makes us all unique and such a fascinating world. I mean, how boring would it be if we were all the same and seen everything the same way? So anyway, it's really, we just really do not have a lot going on today. It's just one of those, like, reset, get ready for the week. This coming week, I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning. I think my daughter's coming over tomorrow. So for now, I'm just going to go browse to the thrift store, just kind of like, really basically just killing time, quite honestly, y'all. I'm just killing time. Something to do, something I enjoy. And, you know, if you enjoy it and it's not illegal and it's not hurting anybody else, then just go for it. That's what I say. But I didn't even put on no makeup. I hadn't even shampooed my hair yet. It's still filthy nasty. I just put in my contacts, brushed my teeth, threw on some clothes, and said adios. So, alright, I will catch up with y'all in just a little bit. If I happen to find anything, I'll share. And if not, then I won't. Duh, Donna. Alright, y'all, I'll catch up with y'all in just a little bit. Well, you win some, you lose some. And today was just one of those days. That's okay. Now I'm gonna go home, and I don't know. We shall see. dirty driveway on James's side. You think that's him trying to tell me that he loves me? James, is that you trying to tell me you love me?
Yeah.
I have got to run, go get some cleaning supplies. So James and Buster's gonna ride with me to make sure I make it there safely and back. Right, James?
Buster guards the car while you gone.
All right, well, let's go. I went and got this today. Y'all, we looked at this at Lowe's yesterday. They wanted $60 for the same exact thing, and it was $32 at Walmart. So, check your prices. Okay, I just changed this room around. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like, and you have to give me your opinion. So, let's look at it. Okay, this is how it looks like this. Y'all, I love it. I really, really love it. Now, I hate this color on the wall. Y'all told me y'all hate it. I agree. I hate it too. But y'all, I don't even mind that over there. I think it's fine there. I'll be able to keep that. I'm going to mount the TV. And I'm going to let me pan out so y'all can see. But I love it. I think it's perfect like this. And then I have my beautiful little picture of the mom and the daughter in the gold frame I can put up there. Then I put my one I bought at the thrift store, that beautiful large print I can put up there. And then I don't know what I'll do on this wall. This could be like, I don't know. I may do an accent wall and not put anything on it. And then I'll mount the TV there. And I really, really like this. Y'all have to let me know what you think. I like this so much better. I do, I love it. And of course I'm gonna have to work on the pillows and all that, but we'll address that when the time comes. But I really like the setup. I don't know why I changed it. Maybe it's because I had different furniture. I know I didn't have the old dresser at the time. So maybe I just didn't have the right furniture in here. I don't know. But I love this. So happy to have figured this out. The layout. Now to get the paint and figure out what I'm going to do with that wall. And yeah, the paint's going to make the biggest difference. I'm going to lighten it up a lot. I'm going to get like a, I can't remember the name of it, but honestly, it's like this color almost. Like this color. It's kind of like a pinky, beigey color. And then I want to do an accent wall in olive. So olive may end up being too much up against that color, so I may have to lighten it up a couple of shades. But I have all this floral I can pick out, tons of shades in this bedding that I can pick out a color. And yeah, so I'm so excited. So excited. Love it. Yay, finally. Something's going right. I was gonna show y'all, this is the arch that I got yesterday at Hobby Lobby. Y'all, can you believe I paid $7.49 for that? I got the mirror out last night and I stuck it up here, and I think it plays well with that. I like how it goes together. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it up there or if I'm gonna put the white one back, but that's what it looks like. $7.49. Can't beat it. Definitely check out the clearance aisles at Hobby Lobby. So this is what I've got on my table so far. I took this out of the guest room because I changed that up in there a little bit. I got this yesterday at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, and I just stuck it in this terracotta pot. And I just put my little chickens there. I'm sure this is gonna change, but for now, that's how it's looking. And I want to get something to go in that basket right there. I don't know what, but you know, everything's a work in progress. If you love thrifting and you like unique, vintage decor items, then your house is not going to be decorated like immediately. You're gonna have to shop and be on the lookout, and just, it's honestly the thrill of the hunt. I really love it. So it's just gonna take time to get everything like I want it. And do we ever really have it just like we want it? I mean, really? If you're like me, you're always changing your mind about stuff and what you want and where you want it. But I have some holes up around the tops of my cabinets. I'm thinking about kind of reworking all of that. I don't know. It's just a work in progress, but I love it. And you know, it's I love decorating our home, and I love shopping my home. Something I did earlier today was on this wall behind me, I moved the picture over some, and then I moved the welcome sign over some, because there was such a big gap between the picture and the cabinet. And so I just moved it over and just made it flow a little bit better, and I really like that. Looks so much better. And that's something that nobody would have probably even paid attention to, but I did. It had bothered me, and I finally did it. And it like took 2 seconds. I don't know why I hadn't done it before. I'm telling you, it's just crazy. Things that I just like think I want to do, but kind of dread doing them. Anyway, but I did that, and I really like the way that looks a lot better. So I'm happy with all of that. Sorry about the bad lighting, but I'm fixing to start cooking, and I'm gonna make us some kind of hash. I've got some potatoes that I really need to cook before they ruin, some onions, and that hamburger meat. So I'm gonna cook my potatoes and onions first, then I'm gonna brown the hamburger meat, and then I'm gonna mix it all together and make a top of a hash. So, never done this, but I'm sure it's easy. So I'm just gonna get my potatoes peeled and cut up, and get my onion cut up real small, and make hash. So, let me get all my potatoes peeled and everything, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna make this hash. So, I'll be right back. I've actually decided to brown my hamburger meat first, because this is some of that meat we got from the little butcher shop, and it does not cook away like the hamburger meat that you get from Walmart. So I just want to make sure that I cook enough potatoes and onions. So I'm going to brown my hamburger meat first, and then I will cook my potatoes and onions. This is really good hamburger meat from that little butcher shop. And James went and bought all of our meat this time from that little butcher shop, and it was way less expensive than what we would have got at Walmart. And like I said, this hamburger meat, a pound of it, will go further than like one of those little pound packs at Walmart. So you really do get your money's worth. So, and support local business. He's also like, he's a veteran. It's a veteran owned. So anytime we can support local business and support, you know, our veterans, hey, that's great. So I'm gonna get this brown, and then I will do the potatoes, onions, and then mix it all together. this sweet baby. He loves being able to lay on the footrest of the recliner, look out the window, and guard our property. Alright y'all, that is going to do it for me today. I want to thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. It's just been like a chill day, no agenda, which is nice. And it's just been really relaxing. I know I did a few things, but it was like stuff I wanted to do, so it was honestly relaxing to me. And if you're like that, then you know what I'm talking about. But now I'm just gonna cut James's hair. And after I do that, I'm gonna go give me a nice bath, put on my cozy pajamas, and just chill out and get ready for the week ahead and some serious cleaning. I can't wait to get started and just do some major cleaning. You know, spring cleaning is awesome, and the first step for me was decluttering, and now I'm gonna take it room by room and just really, you know, give it a good going over. So as always, I do appreciate you just being with me. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.